welcome my channel. Alright, today I want to review one item from Hasbro Lightning Collection, Mighty Morphine Locked Drakkon. Alright guys, this one badass I think, but very dark and very horror I think. It's okay for the this one for the Mighty Morphine for the Lord Drakkon. It's okay from the tech GameStop comic version for the Mighty Morphine and Lightning Collection. I think out of the item this one, and you can look from the box. Okay, so very cool for the Lock Drakkon. Okay, this one right of the box can look the full logo, the Mighty Morphine. This one relief of the box and back of the box. Okay, top of the box just the plain. Alright, and bottom of the box. Okay lah guys, don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, let's go to unboxing this item. Alright guys, okay guys, already out of the box this figure. Okay, the accessory part I get from the Lord Drakkon. First, the head sculpt for the Tommy, the dark of the Tommy. Okay, and two-piece hand, punch hand. Alright, and one the sword of the Tommy. Alright, and one effect. This part the item part I get. Okay, you can look for the part. This one I think it's nice. Alright, the sword same the Green Ranger sword. Okay, the Green Ranger same. Alright, oh wait. Okay, for the Green Ranger you can look. Okay, same for the logo. Okay, and one head sculpt for the Tommy. Right, you can look for the Tommy scope. You can look, and wait, I think oh. Okay, you can look for the Tommy, right, and the face. You can look the veins of on this. The face look the evil again. Alright, this one veins. You can look for the evil, and the head the black and the long hair. You can look this one. And I think change for the head. Oh, for the figure much yes, I think for the figure can look for the Tommy Locked Drakkon, right? Very evil I think. You can look this one figure. Okay, and this one back, right? Okay, for this one, oh, and you can put for the figure Tommy and Rock Drakkon. I think for this one same for the White Ranger. I think that's the same. Right, same, have the same with the change for the figure. Maybe think expression very same, right? And no for the different, the shield, the armor, this one In the pad, show the pad this one. Same for the White Ranger. And for the effect for this one, I think, and the color red and black, right? And the extra for the helmet, this one, Lord Drakkon for the helmet, and the White Ranger, I think is same. Okay, for the detail, you can look for the color for the helmet. For the detail, I think not the finish for the figure. Yes, not the finish for this figure. I think the paint chip not that clear, right? The matte, I think this one it's okay. Maybe I display, we cannot look, we not look for the effect. Body, right, for the color green and gold, this one. For the bell, green bell, you can look for the bell, this one, the bell for this. Okay, back and white color. Alright, for the boot, I think it's okay. For the detail, nice for this one. We check for the articulation. We check up and down for the this one. Up for the hand, you can back from the back. Okay, alright, and 360 you can move, rotate, but this one and this one double joint, elbow joint, this one. For the body, can front and back, right, leg, okay, this one. Alright, double joint, and this one you can rotate, okay, and up and down for the joint. You can look for the joint. Okay, for the Lord Drakkon, I think for the Lord Drakkon this figure, I think the sword, for the sword, this one, the sword you can put here. Okay, put here. Alright, for the how many inch, you try. I think around 6.5 inch. Right, okay. For the figure description, I think we can use the sword for the so I think Sabah sword you can use, I think very nice for the cool. I think we try. Okay, figure, I think so it's okay, nice for the figure, right? Okay, and I think for the video, enough for this video. Alright guys, and I think if you want like this item, you can buy. Okay, around 160 above, and USD around 24 or 25 USD dollar. You can buy this one with the Lord Drakkon. Okay, and I think don't forget like, share and subscribe this channel. Alright, and see you by the next video. Okay, bye bye.